Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the Phixero P20 and P5 external portable SSDs with us. So we are going to have a detailed review of these two portable SSDs we got here. So we will talk about their design, features, read-write speed, build quality while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Here on the retail box on the front side, you can see the picture of the product. On the back of the device, some of the hardware specs are mentioned for both of these models, and if you have a look on the specification, primary difference you will find is in terms of the data transfer speed as well as the overall dimension of these two portable SSDs. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here I am opening the P5 model. So here we got a USB Type-C cable. We got a quick start guide, a lanyard to connect with your SSD, and here is our Phixero P5 portable SSD. Now if we open the P20 model, once again we got the USB Type-C cable, the user guide and the Phixero P20 portable SSD. Now talking about the read-write speed of these two Phixero portable SSDs, the performance was really impressive. The P20 model is supposed to provide up to 2 Gbps read-write speed, and in our test, it successfully achieved the same numbers for both read and write speed. For the P5 model, the read-write speed is supposed to be 500 Mbps officially, and in our test, once again the performance was quite nice and it was very close to the official numbers for both read and write. So it does not matter which model, whether the P5 or the P20 of these two portable SSDs you are going to buy, you will get the performance as expected and mentioned by the brand officially. Talking about the design and build quality, the shell of these two portable SSDs are made of plastic and metal. We got a rugged exterior that is water and dust resistant and also provides protection from the drop up to 1.5 meter height. So the combination of aluminum frame and shock absorbing plastic casing provides nice durability against drop as well as water and dust. At the top of both of these P20 and P5 portable SSDs, there is a slot provided to connect the keychain or the lanyard, and when it comes to appearance, both of these models are exactly same. The only difference you will find is in terms of dimension. The P5 model is a bit bigger compared to P20 and it is slightly heavy as well because of the bigger size. Both of these portable SSDs are fully universal compatible, so you don't need any drivers to use them and you can directly plug in with your computer, tablets, iPhone, smartphone cameras, etc. for fast data transfer. So if you're planning to buy a nice portable SSD without spending too much money, then the Phixero P5 and P20 are very nice options for you depending on how much read-write speed you need. If you are interested in buying any of these two models, I have shared the link in the description of this video, and if you enjoyed watching this one, if you found it useful, then do not forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.